how to uninstall and install Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the settings and then go to system in the left hand side. Now scroll down and then go to system components. Now, here tap on the three dots beside Microsoft Store and go to Advanced Options and then scroll down and then tap on Reset. So, if the system component is not working, then you can reset it and the system components data will be deleted. And then this is the way to uninstall and install the Microsoft Store in your Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.